with setting your password on Consul 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Consul 2026 login page on your web browser. Look for the Forgot Password link typically located below the password entry field. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the password recovery page, enter the email address associated with your Consul 2026 account. Make sure to double check for any typos before submitting. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from Consul 2026. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. Follow the instructions to create a new password, ensuring it meets any specified security requirements. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Consul 2026 account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.